So how does the AI pest detection work? In very brief explanation. The system uses sensors and cameras to scan an environment and check if any pests are present. And it's not just always about the pests themselves, because sometimes it's enough to see even a sign of their presence. For example, specific damage on the canopy or on the fruits. And also, from our own experience, we were working on the project for early stage detection and monitoring of false codling moth in chili pepper crops in Kenya. And our AI system was looking for small holes, tiny holes on each fruit. And this was an indicator where larvae had entered. And also we were check the delta pheromone traps because they help with pest detection as well. But in the trap, as you know, there are many pests traditionally, and not just specific which we are targeting. That's why this is the stage where AI recognition comes into play.